Tonneau covers, bed covers, trifolds, hard covers, doesn't matter what you want to call them, they are still one of the easiest ways to get some coverage over your truck bed and to help keep those prying eyes off your stuff. Now, there are multiple different styles of bed covers out there, and we've already shown you the Bestop EZ-Roll bed cover. Now today, we're going to be showing you the EZ-Fold bed cover from Bestop. The EZ-Fold Soft Bed Cover is a trifold style bed cover, and it installs in minutes and will not only make your Gladiator look better, well, it's going to help keep the contents in your bed hidden from prying eyes. Now, like other Bestop products, the EZ-Fold bed cover is available both in the basic Black Diamond and the upgraded Black Twill. Now, we went with the Black Twill because, well, it's the upgraded material and one feel of the twill, and you'll know why that's the one you want. The install itself is super simple, and it's gonna fit with and without the factory bed rail system. So let's re-roll the tape a little bit and show you how it's done. All right, we're gonna start out by pulling the white protective tape off the foam. Now this isn't adhesive at all. That tape's there just to protect the foam during shipping. All right, now we want to set it up forward. And we want to have our buckles facing up and towards the window. Okay, then you're going to reach up underneath and grab the clamping handle, rotate it down. Now with the handle in the down position, we have this lip here, and we want to hook it underneath the lip of the bed rail. So we're going to sit here and screw it in. And then we can pop the handle up, and it's locked in place. Okay, and once that lip is in underneath the lip edge of the bed, then we can just pop our handle up, and she's locked in place. And up at the front, we want to disconnect our buckles. Now we can just fold the bed cover back. And you'll notice you'll see the same style clamps back here as you have in the front. And you reach up inside there. And while you're adjusting, make sure you have the clamp pulled all the way down. You can just spin it up. And then same for the other side. You want to make sure that lip goes in behind the lip of the bed rail. Handle up, and that's it. Then we shut our tailgate, and the trifold bed cover is installed. To use the trifold cover in the open position, unlock the rear clamps and pivot them up under the bed cover to stow them away. Then fold the cover up towards the front of the truck. Once it's in its forward position, you're going to snap the retaining straps into place, and you're ready to load in the bigger items. Then when done, just fold the bed cover back into position and lock the handles. Now, as you just saw, this truly is a quick and easy install. So if you're interested in one for your Jeep Gladiator, we'll hit that link down in the description box below. Down there, you'll also find the link for the install video on the Bestop EZ-Roll soft bed cover. And then while you're down there, well, hit the buttons, the bells, the whistles, you know the ones I'm talking about, and help us grow this channel. And then, well, thanks for watching today. We'll see you in the next video.